Hi students, so welcome to the NTSC mental ability and aptitude session of letters analogy. So already in the previous two sessions, right, we were looking at the analogy part. So in fact, those who are looking at this video, right, you can also take a look at the previous two videos on the analogy. So we started with the number analogy, and then we looked at the word analogy. So this is actually the third session on the analogy. So in this session, right, we are going to be looking at what? The letters analogy. So what is it? We are going to be looking at, so what is analogy means? It is looking at, what is the relation or the correspondence. So already, those who are following this analogy video series, right, you will be able to easily understand, why we'll have a question like this, or rather what is the meaning of this representation. So for the benefit of those others, right, see here what it basically says is we have a set 1. What is the set 1 letters or alphabets, whatever you call it? What is there in the set 1? B and D. So we have a relation between them. Analogy basically means what? We'll have a relation. We have to find out what is the relation, and then what we need to do? We have to apply the same relation on the set 2. Set 2 is what? So the letters of the set 1 will be separated by what? A single colon. Set 1 and set 2, you see what is this? The set 1 and set 2 are separated by what? A double colon. Set 2, F is given and the other letter of the set 2 is missing. That is what we have to find. See, sometimes, right, we may have some very straightforward relations. Look at this. B, usually, right, in most of the, this is like, very thumb rule kind of a thing that we'll follow when it comes to the letters analogy. What is it? Most of the times we'll have the relation on order of letters. Meaning what? I'll tell you. B, after B what will come? C, then D. Meaning what? We are leaving one letter gap. One letter gap we are leaving. The second letter that will come after B, that is what is going to come. So here, what will be the missing letter related to F? F. What will come after F? G, then H. So we have to leave one gap, and then the second one is going to be what? The letter related to F. Same relation. What is it? What is the relation we are seeing here? Relation is what? One letter gap and the second one is the relation. That's it. So B, we are leaving one gap. C, the second one that will come after B is what? D. That is the relation. We apply the same relation here. What is it? F is there. After F what will come? G, then H. So we leave G, one letter we leave. Take the second one. Clear? So this is what we mean to say by the relation in terms of the order. Like, leaving one letter. Sometimes we leave like, 4 letters we leave it. We will choose the 5th one. Sometimes we may leave like, 8, 9 letters we will leave and choose the 9th one or 10th one. So the questions usually what? They will be based upon the order of the relations. So this is the first thing whenever we have the letter analogy, right? So but what is analogy basically means? It is about looking at the relation between the, so this is the standard type of question. Whatever the set they give us, right? Here the set B and D, this is what is given. Using that we will find what is the relation. And in most of the cases, this is like a thumb rule. What is it? The relation will be in what? The order. We will find the relation from the set 1 and apply the same relation into the set 2. If you do that right, we will be able to find what is the missing letter. That's it. So this is how we will have the questions. Look at this one. See, while you are probably watching this video, right, if you are able to go ahead and then get the answer for this question, let's try and do it. Because for the benefit of all the students, I will be taking some time to thoroughly explain with the detailed procedure. Now, those who are like able to catch the idea and then go ahead, please do that, so that you will be able to get that practice as well. So look at this one. Complete the analogy. And let me tell you, while for our discussion purpose, right, we divided the analogy into what? 3 types. What is it? The number analogy, then we have the word analogy, then we are having what? Letter analogy. But in usually the NTSC math paper or even the aptitude question papers, right, they will not be giving us complete the letter analogy or something like that. They might even just like that say complete the analogy. So we have to think this is what the relation between letters, that is why we call it as what? Letter analogy. C and X, this is the, so always this is the same procedure, right? What is it? We will see set 1. What is set 1? C and X. We have to see what is the relation between them and apply the same relation to the set 2. Set 2 is what? E, and one more letter that is missing. So initially for the practice problems, right, we are choosing different types of examples so that you will be getting idea on what are all the ways we have to think. So here from the starting, what are the letters? A, B and C. So C is what? A third from the starting. What is the last? X, Y, Z. So X is what? Third from the last. C is what? Third from beginning. X is what? Third from the last. Same way look at it. E, A, B, C, D, E. What is E? Fifth from the last. So here let me tell you the relation. What is the relation? Same position from beginning and end. So C is what? Third from beginning. X is what? Third from the end. Now you see here A, B, C, D, E. See, I am writing all the things in detail so that it will benefit everyone. Say some of you might be comfortable. Like the moment you see E, you might be able to say E is what? The fifth letter. Some of you might not be. So for the benefit of all of us, right, I am writing them down so that we will be very clear. So we have to choose what? Fifth from the last. So you should also practice writing them in the reverse direction. What is it? Z, then Y, then X. Already we have done it. Okay. Then what is it? W, V, U. I think that is sufficient. So we have to choose what? Fifth from the last. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the fifth from the last is what? It is V. That's it. So what is the second set? It is what? E and V. That's it. So the relation here is the position from the beginning and from the end, it is the same value. That's it. That is the relation. So we have to identify the relation, and for E, what is the position number? It is what? 5. So the letter that is related to E, right, should also have what? The position number 5, but from the end. And if you are little bit practicing writing the letters in the reverse direction starting from Z, that also will be able to help us. Okay, so let us go to the next one. Complete the analogy. E, I, O. See, the moment you see these E, I, O, A, what is it? It's a hint basically. What is it? Maybe we are talking about what? Vowels. The moment you see some of these things, right, this is the hint that you need to keep in mind. So let us look at what are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Now look at the set 1. What is the set 1? E and I means what? The ones that are coming consecutive vowels. So let us write down the relation. What is it? The relation is what? Consecutive vowels. We have to apply the same logic. Shall we do that? So on set 2, if we choose same logic, what is set 2? O, and then there is a missing letter. See, what is the consecutive? What will come after O? So we have to see what is going to come after O. So after E, what will come? I will come. After O, what will come? That is what you have to see. After O, what is going to come? U will be coming. Let us go to the next one. So here we don't have like a single letter. We have what? Combination. We can say sequence. We can say combination or a sequence. So again same thing. Set 1. You have to find what is the relation. Use that to find what is the missing letter in the or missing sequence in the set 2. Set 1 is what? Small k, small c, small a and capital C. What is second sequence here? Capital C, small a, small c, small k. I think this is straightforward, right? What is it? Just we have to write them in the reverse order. What is it? Just write them in the reverse order. That is it. Now we'll apply the same logic for the set 2. So what is the set 2? One sequence is given: capital X, small g, small f, capital F. So we have to just write them in the reverse. Reverse means what will happen? Check it. Capital F will come, then small m, then small g, then capital X. So where is the answer sitting? Yes. Okay. Let us go to some example questions. So maybe all these whatever we have discussed so far, right? This is to tell you guys how do we approach. Now these example sequences or these example analogy questions, right? While I am going to take some time to explain the detailed solution or approach step by step, those of you who are watching the video, right, you can maybe pause it and try and work it out by yourself first. If in case you are not able to get it, you can anyway check the complete solution. If you are able to get the answer, means maybe you can just try and verify it once and then go to the next example. So this way, right, as I said, you will also be able to get the practice in terms of questions. Okay, so we'll start. So what is it? We have set 1. Always same procedure. Set 1, what is it? AG, it is a sequence of 2 letters. IO. we have to find the relation. Remember what we said, most of the times the relation will be what? In the order of the letters. So what is it? A, B. See, for the benefit of those students who are not very comfortable, I am writing the entire sequence of letters. A, B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, I. See, what is it? If you start from A, starting from A, we have to try and relate A and I, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after A, it is what? The 8th letter. Okay, so let us keep it. After G, so from G, what is it? G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. After G, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is also what? 8th letter. So what is the 8th letter after A and 8th letter after G? Same logic or analogy we will be using on what? The second set. Second set is what? EK. We have to find what is the pair of letters for that. Okay. So as I said, for the benefit of those students who are not very comfortable with the sequence of letters, I am going to write it in detail so that you will be able to get that clarity also. So look at this. E. After E, what is it? F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. I mean, we have to find what is the 8th one, right? So let us count after E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means what? The first one should be what? M. See, sometimes, right, we will be able to get to the answer without even trying to, or without even required to solve the second letter. See, we have to find what is the corresponding letter for the K. But you look at the options, already we got the corresponding letter for E. It is what? Coming as M. But only one of the options, right, is having the starting as what? M. You see, option 1 is what? L. No, it cannot be, right. Option 3 is what? The starting is what? P. It cannot be. Option 4 is what? Starting is what? S. It also cannot be. So the only answer is what? This way we will be able to save the time also. Okay. But the only thing is we should be confident of whatever the first letter, the analogy that we got, we should be confident. Then we can straight away go and take the answer. But since we are doing the practice here, right, let us try and solve it. So K, after K what will come? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, like that the list goes on. We have to find what? After K, what is the 8th? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It should be what? Yes. Check it. Okay. So as I said, right, most of the times. So please check it, guys. You know how many of you are able to get the correct answer for this? It should be what? Option 2. But like I said, right, most of the times this letter analogy, right, the relation will be on what? The order of the letters. Keep that in mind. Okay, so let us look at the next example. So they're talking about computer. Huh? So computer is related to some very awkward looking sequence of letters. I mean, awkward looking in the sense, you know, doesn't have any proper meaning. So using this relation, right, this is our what do we call it as? The set 1. Using the relation, we have to find what is the sequence of letters that is related to language. So this gap we have to fill. So we have to find out what is the relation between the sequence of letters in computer and the other sequence is what? FQP RXVHT. So let us look at it. C is matched to F, means what? C, then what will come? D will come, E will come. So 1, 2, third letter after C. Then O is matched to Q. O, P, Q means what? 1 and 2. It's not the same order. What is it? For C, what is the correlating letter? The third one. For O, what is the correlating letter? It is only the second one. We have to see what will happen to the next. What is it? M. For M, what is the P? M, N, O, P means what? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we'll have to check if it is repeating like 3, 2, 3, 2 like that. Next one is what? P. What is it? Q, R. So P is related to what? R, right? Means what? 1, 2. So how is it relating? 3, 2, 3, 2. We can check the others also. So what is the order here? It is what? 3, 2, 3, 2. So first we have to look at the letter that will come in the third position. Then we have to look at second position. Then third, then second, like that. As it is, we will try to apply on this. L. Third. What is it? L, M, N, O. So 1, 2, 3. Then A, B, C. 1, 2. 3, 2. Then N, O, P, Q. 1, 2, 3. Then G, H, I. 1, 2. You are able to see it. What is it? We have to look at what? 3, 2, 3, 2. That is the order. We come up to G, right? Then U. What is it? V. After U, what will come? V, W, X. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2. A, B, C. 2. Then we have G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3. Then we have what last? E is there. E, F, G. 1, 2. So you see what is the sequence we are going to get here. So we have done for all the letters so that we will be able to get the answer thoroughly. Sometimes you know what happens, because it is an choice question, choice in the sense we have multiple choice. Sometimes we may be able to find out the answer without solving for all the letter combinations. That we will get by practice. That model I am not touching here. Like we will be able to eliminate. See, first for L, we should have what? O. All the options, it is O. For A, it should be what? C. You see in option 1, this is shown as what? X. So straight away we can eliminate. 1 cannot be the answer. Like that we can eliminate. That elimination approach I am not discussing here. Why? Because that can save some time, but you will anyway get it by practice. So what is the correct for the language? What is the correct sequence? Matching sequence is what? OC, QI, XC, JG. Where is it? OC, QI, XC, JG. So what is it? It is our option 3. So here what is the analogy we are having? The repeating sequence is like what? Third letter, then second letter. Third letter, then second letter. That we need to keep in mind. Okay. So I don't know how many of you got the answer without waiting for my explanation. So next we will go to example 3. Example 3 is what? Mumbai. So this is about the names of the places. But here it is not about that. It is about what? The analogy between the letters only. Mumbai is related to what? LT, LAZH. So we have to see M and L. What is the relation? It will be what? KLM means what? We are going one step back. U and T. After T we will get U, right? Means what? For here also we are getting one step back. After L only we will get M, means from M we are going one step back. So this is what we are going. And similarly from B we are linking to what? A, right? Means what? Again one step back. So everything we are going one step back, means one letter back. Same. So what is the, from set 1, right? You are able to get it. What is the relation we are having? One letter before. That is what we have to choose. We will apply the same logic. Delhi, right? So for Delhi, D, what is one letter before? C. E, what is one letter before? L, what is one letter before? H. What is it? C, D, K, G, H. Where is it? It is our option 3. Check it. So here what is the analogy? The one letter that is going to come before. That is it. I am sure this one a lot of you might have already got the answer. Okay. Let us go to example 4. This has already come in, I think, Andhra Pradesh NTSC. This has come. SRCA is related to what? ONDB. This is our set 1. So what is the approach here? From set 1 we have to get the relation. We have to apply the same relation for the set 2 missing. So set 2 there is a sequence given. PSG is given. For that we have to find what is the relating sequence. Can we try this? So S and O. What is it? So we have to see where do we get the order. What is the order? Tell me. O, P, Q, R, S. Means what? From S we have to start backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to count fourth one in the backward direction. R is related to what? N. N, O, P, Q, R. Here also you see 1, backwards 2, 3. So R is related to what? N. S is related to what? O. What is the relation? We have to count in the backward direction, fourth letter. And we have to see for the others also. Look at the others. C is related to what? D. What is it? The next letter. So here there is a change. For S as well as R, we are counting what? The backward direction, fourth letter. For C it is what? The one that will come just after. For A also what is it? They are saying A is related to what? B, right? Means what? The one that will come just after. Next letter. So for the first 2 letters, what is the analogy or relation we have to follow? We have to count in the backward direction, reverse, fourth. For the last 2, what is it? We have to just choose what is the letter that will come next. So we have what? T. T means what? Look at this. P, Q, R, S, T. So from T we have to count what? 1, 2, 3, 4 backward. So T will be related to what? P. Yes. Yes means already we know, right? So here itself we can see S is related to what? I mean basically O, P, Q, R, S. 1, 2, 3, 4. First letters. P, O. I think here you can see all the 4 options, right? The first 2 letters they are matching correctly. P, O. Then we will go for the last 2. What is it? G and E. What is the last 2? What is the rule? We have to just choose the next letter. After G what will come? H. After E what will come? So what is the correct matching sequence? P, O, H, F. Where is it? Option 1. So you see here in some of the questions, right, it is not like all the letters have to follow the same relation. We can have different. So look at the next one. This is also a previous year NTSC question. Which of the following pairs has the same relationship as that of PS, that is related to the pair of letters TW? So this is our set 1. So from set 1 we have to find what is the relation, isn't it? So see what is the relation that can be there. P, Q, R, S, T means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth letter. S, T, U, V, W, fourth letter. Means what? We have to count the fourth letter basically. So which of these the pairs that are given, right, they will have the same relation. So check it. So we have to go one by one. Set 2, we have to find the full set itself. Normally the previous questions, right, what is it? They were giving one of the pairs. So here they are not even given one of the pairs. We have to 1, 2, 3, 4 options, right? We have to take each of them and check whether they are satisfied. So how we'll do it? J means K, L, M, N. So J should be related to what? N, but there is no N, there is what? R. That cannot be the answer. Next we will go to option 2. A means A, B, C, D, E should come fourth, but they are saying A is matched to what? D. Then we'll come to option 3. Okay, so look at option 3. What is there in the option 3? AD, that is the first pair. EH is the second pair. Okay, so AD, EH. So look at it. A is matched to E, D is matched to what? H. So A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth letter. So here what is the relation we are looking at? The fourth letter. Okay. Then D means what? D, E, F, G, H. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is it? It will be what? AD, that pair will be matched to what? EH pair. That is going to satisfy the relation, right? What is the relation we have? We have to choose the fourth letter. Look at the next one. See, by now itself, right, already we have solved, I think we would have solved at least 10 problems. By now, while you are watching this video, right, you yourself might be able to solve the questions. Bell is paired with what? AKFM. Okay, what is this? Bell paired with AKFM. So means what? This is set 1. B is matched to A. B, we have to choose a letter before B. What is it? A. Before. E is matched to F. Means what? For E, we have to choose the letter that will come after. Before, the one letter before, then one letter after. Then for the first L, there are two L's here. First L, we are matching what? K. So means what? One letter before. Second L, we are matching it to what? M. Means what? L, one letter after. So what is the relation? A letter before and letter after. This sequence is coming. We'll apply the same thing. D, what will come before D? C will come. Then we have to choose what? Letter after. What will come after O? What is the thing that will come after O? It will be what? O, P. Then we have to choose letter before. What will come before O? N. Then we have to choose letter after. So what is the sequence? Letter before, letter after. What will come after R? S. So what is the correct sequence for the door? Door. The correct matching sequence is what? CP, NS. So what is the thing? The C is what? Letter before. P is what? Letter after. N is what? Letter before. S is what? Letter after. Okay, so this is how we are able to follow that relation. See, always what is the thing, important thing is what? We have to first understand what is the relation. So then we will be able to apply and get the answer. So like we say, right, the seventh example is like we are going to just explain the question and leave it to you guys. You can try and solve this. If you are able to get the answer, that's good. Even if not, right, we will leave the solution in the, if you are watching this video in the YouTube means, we will give the hint or solution in the description. Same time, if you are watching it in our Concept Digit Lab, there also you will be able to find the solution. Okay, so look at this. Set 1. What is set 1? CFIL is matched to what? ABCD. CFIL is matched to what? ABCD. Then we have to find what is the corresponding letter sequence for what? WXYZ. Try it. Okay. If you are able to get it, you can verify the solution. Even if you are not able to get it right, you can still find the solution in the description below. Or if you are already in the Concept Digital app means you will be able to find the solution there. Okay. So keep practicing guys. As I said, right, aptitude, mental ability is more of practice. Already I think you might be aware, Concept Digital, there is a 100-day free aptitude challenge. Just jump into it, try and get daily practice because it just comes by practice. Okay, so all the very best and we'll see you in the next video.